this is the first Sweet 16 Arabic Verbs video you are seeing, stay with us. You're in the right place. اسمي مايك. تعلمت العربي لحالي من صفر وبدي أفرجكم كيف فيكم أنتوا كمان تحكوا عربي مثلي. I'm a linguist with 20 years international experience teaching languages. Designing language learning systems is what I do. I build Storyinteracters to organize your learning of Arabic the way languages grow in your heads. And we start with verbs. Language is a tree. Verbs form the trunk. The nouns and adjectives become the branches. And all the rest is the leaves. Most courses start, unfortunately, with the leaves. Here, we build the trunk. The Sweet 16 are 16 high-frequency verbs that unlock how Arabic sentences work and how the verbs conjugate. We drill them by gestures to build strong memory. And Nemo helps us practice them. Say hello, Nemo.
Marhaba, Storyinteracters.
In the previous video, we covered verbs 1 to 10. Today, we finished the trunk with verbs 11 to 16. Let's continue building the trunk. جاهز, Nemo?
جاهز.
Let's see if you can remember the gestures and the verbs by the end. Yalla. High frequency verb 11. Want. بدي. Just like عندي, بدي is a semi-verb and actually means I want. The I meaning I in this case. When you want something, you bring it to yourself. You want it that much. بدي. بدي.
بدي. بدي.
High frequency verb number 12. Leave. أترك. Wave goodbye. You are just leaving something or someone behind. أترك. أترك. أترك, again, is not strictly imperative form أترك, but it's good to know that I will use the form أترك when I will conjugate the verb.
أترك. أترك.
Verb number 13 is one of the most high-frequency of high-frequency verbs of all. Do. عامل. Note that the ayn at the start. If you can't do it yet, do a long R at the back of the throat again. The idea behind the gesture is that you're doing or making something with a plate or a ball. عامل. عامل.
عامل. عامل.
Frequency verb number 14. Put. As in, put this on the table. Hut. Put is hut. Fairly straightforward. Hut. Hut.
Hut. Hut.
Frequency verb 15. Nearly there. Love or Habb. You will hear it a lot in songs as in Habbak ya habibi. I love you, my darling. Again, this is not strictly imperative form Habb. It's good to know that I will use the form Habb when I will conjugate the verb. Round your hands in a heart. Habb. Habb.
أحب. أحب.
Frequency verb number 16. See. شوف. Again, you will hear this one a lot. It is used for both see and look. شوف, only one hand, as two hands in the future will mean watch. شوف. شوف.
شوف. شوف.
And that's it for high frequency verbs for now. Try to practice saying them in a karate kata style to put the meaning into your body.
Wait, there's no verb to be in your Arabic Sweet 16?
No, that's because we don't use the verb to be in simple present tense. We say, for instance, أنا مبسوط. I happy for I am happy. The am is understood.
Mike, can I test all the verbs on dummy Dennis? I'm sure he'll get all the gestures wrong.
Okay, but not to confuse the viewers, I will do the correct gestures on the side. Good luck, Storyinteracters.
جيب. جيب. اقدر. اقدر. يجي. يجي. عاطي. عاطي. روح. روح. عندي. عندي. أخد. أخد. عارف. عارف. قول. One hand, Dennis. قول. بدي. بدي. أترك. A truck. No, Dennis, it's not a truck. Wave goodbye, it's leave. عامل عامل hut hut أحب أحب شوف شوف. Well done, Dennis. Only 2 mistakes.